Hello, this is just a quick little video from Better Systems Group to demonstrate how our software, the Better System, is going to want access to the Gmail Google API. So basically this software is just scheduling and billing software. Our customers are small little clinics, mostly chiropractic clinics, and it's desktop software, so it's actually installed on their own machine, and all of the data in the software is their data anyway, and all we're doing actually is just wanting to send emails on their behalf through their Gmail accounts. Increasingly, a lot of our customers do use Gmail. Some of them do have a G Suite business account, or they have two-factor authentication enabled. In those cases, we've been able to continue to do it via SMTP, which we've done for many years. But with that deadline coming for SMTP access for those people who are not in that situation, we've implemented the Gmail API to be able to send emails through their Gmail account directly, and that's all we're doing. We're just sending emails out using their own data to their own customers. So we're not accessing any information from their Google account. We're just using their Gmail account to send out emails to their customers, just facilitating their patient communications essentially. So as you can see, we have some patients here, and we do get consent. They're supposed to get consent from their patients to be able to send them things like reminders. So that's just configured here. Reminder, yes. They can choose which types. And all they do is it's sending out reminders, it's sending out receipts and statements, pretty basic stuff. So you would just do, for instance, actually first I need to show you the authorization. I'm supposed to show you that. So that's just configured in here. And as I say, traditionally we've done SMTP. And we've just added an option here for Gmail. So this is just a sort of testing demonstration account that I have. And I can just authenticate, and it brings up the browser. And I'll use that account because it's one of the only two that I authorized for testing here. And this is what we've done here. Of course, it's still in, I'm trying to get it enabled for production here. So there's that. And then, yeah, it's literally just send email on your behalf. The Better System is a software you just saw. So we're just allowing that, and then it does that. It says it was successful, and back here it says it was successful, and we're authorized, and then we can send out the reminders as one example of what we do. I'll just do the emails only. We also do text messages through another service, and it just sends it through there, and it gives them a report, the ones that were sent. Similar idea. We can do receipts and statements, and we can email those directly. So yeah, I'll do this one because that goes to a different address. Yeah, and it's similar idea. It's just going to send this out as an attachment, a PDF via Gmail there as well. The only other thing they can really do in here, they can send one-off messages to people, very similar idea, or they can do like a group mailing. Again, these are their patients, their contacts anyway, and you can do like active patients who've been in within a certain amount of time, and it's just the same idea, just being able to send them an email. So it's all about patient communications. It's all about sending out through their account, which they would want to do anyway. It just saves them, copying and pasting and a lot of extra work. It's just automating the process of sending patient communications for these small clinics. Often they're, a single practitioner or something like that, or maybe a couple, maybe they have a front desk person, something like that, which is why in some cases they don't have the two-factor authentication on, because more than one person might be accessing it, but it's an account that they set up for their clinic, and this is just software for their clinic, and it's just facilitating sending those out, and that's all we're doing. We're not touching any of their personal data. We're not reading anything from their Google account at all, so we're not needing access to any of their Google account. I can even show you the code here. This is our little procedure. It's just literally sending out an email. So we have it without an attachment or with an attachment. So hopefully you guys will let us do that. We just literally are just, for our Gmail users, it's just replacing SMTP outgoing email. That's all it is. Thank you.